Hi guys, we're making specialty. I'm Aki, by the way, and this is Mihar, the owner of the phone. Cause my
And we have a new bird. It's boy.
what is his name? Chicky.
Yeah, she's so
Chicken.
cute. No, she's not a chicken.
Yes, it's a chicken. Let's
No.
eat the chicken.
Sige,
Guys,
kainin mo yun.
I'll eat it. Later.
Sige, go.
You
go.
first.
Why is it moving, guys?
Cause you are moving it.
No.
I can see your hand. Oh, nah. She is moving it.
Gamitin ko yan.
Kaganino pala to. Sa YouTube, buang.
Tapos yun, yung
Hello,
square,
Shabbat.
square, siyo yun.
No.
You
That
don't
is yours. You have nothing squishy. You have no squishy. Dadaan ka? Sabay kayo maligo ni Ate Rion? Baka meron. So, here it is. Now we're just gonna do the final touches. Stop! Stop holding it.
This is the final result. Aray ko.
Sorry.
Step up. Kasi yung matatangkad eh. Pero okay naman siya. Ba't na ganyan siya? Ulan.
Yeah, the bird is flying because the rain is so noisy.
Yeah.
Okay, should we make a little one?
Sure.
A little chips? I'll show you the final result. This is the final result. This is the final result, guys. And we're gonna make a puppet. We're just gonna draw a circle on here.